Just got done harvesting a bunch of peppers, some sweet peppers, but mostly hot peppers, some cow horns, got jalapenos. We got even some hot ones in there too. These are serranos. But here, I'll turn this around. See all the peppers behind me. I have two, well, 1.5 50-foot rows of hot peppers, and yeah, they're producing really, really good. So, what do I have? Some scorpion peppers, some lemon habaneros, some purple habaneros, a lot of different habaneros, some really hot ones. But this batch right here is going to go ahead and get in, well, these sweet peppers, like these purple bells and these green bells, are going to go in for like dinner time. But all the hot peppers I'm going to throw in my food dehydrator and make a nice big hot pepper like seasoning. Here's a peppercini, not super hot, but a good pepper, some cherry hot peppers, Dr. Miller and my favorites. But here, let's walk down the row here a little bit. You can see these are cherry hots. You know, you want to harvest peppers as you go, because the more you harvest, the more they're going to produce. These are one of the, these aren't the hot peppers. Those are, I think, some Hungarian wax. These are ancho grandes. Let's see, right there, ancho grandes. These are some hot peppers. I think these are some lemon habaneros. Let's see, nice and hot. Over here's, I think these might be the Bulak Joel, I think. I think at one point in time this was the hottest pepper in the world. Those guys are dangerous. You don't want to accidentally bite into that guy right there, or girl. Oh, we've got my favorite, peppercinis. These are very, very proficient. These produce a ton of peppers. You just got to keep picking them, because if you let a bunch go to red, it'll stunt the plant's growth. And with these, you want a bunch of peppers. Just keep picking them. These, I think these are Paquito peppers. If you ever seen like that Texas Pete sauce, or that's in the vinegar that you see at some different restaurants, I picked one of these and just took a little bitty bite out of it. These are little peppers, and they are hot, 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 hot peppers. So you don't need too many of them, but they're fun. They're little guys. You can see it up against, next to my thumbnail. Not too big. Let's see here, some early jalapenos. Looking good. Again, I harvest everything, so you're not gonna see any ripe peppers here. Mint. And then we come down to here, see my bell peppers, which I've been harvesting. The plants aren't huge right now. I should have came in and hard harvested earlier so that they put more energy in the fruit production, but alas, there's another nice bell. Some more, I think these aren't Hungarians, but they're similar to Hungarians. This is that next row. Some more bells, more bell peppers. Looking really, really good. Here is something that's not a bell pepper, but one that's fun. These are Tunisian eggplants. So they kind of look like a tomato, but they're an eggplant, and I hear they're really good for making sauces like baba ganoush. So I'm gonna grab some of those. Some of these white eggplants, more white eggplants, and then I'm gonna grab some of these black beauties. Look at this. That's a nice sized eggplant there. And make some baba ganoush. And then here's the star of the garden. Now, I don't know how many people, let me sneak in here, are going to actually get to taste any of my current tomatoes, but these are phenomenal. It does not get any sweeter than these little currants. I would say it's like candy, but candy doesn't taste as good as a currant tomato, so I'm really excited about those. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Close to the end of the week. Finish strong. If you haven't heard it already, I love you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you very soon.